I'm Sean with Park Journey. We're here at Six Flags Great Adventure, checking out the Flash Vertical Velocity, the new Super Boomerang, first of its kind in North America. So we're about to get launched and go through this course forwards, do a bunch of weird stuff, and experience it all backwards. So let's see how it is. Are you ready, Philip?
Let's go.
Let's do it. Here we go. Whoa!
Hey, there we go. All right.
Woohoo!
That's fun.
And backwards. Whoa!
Oh, okay. All right.
And away we go!
Ew.
Through the, oh my gosh.
Oh,
the hang time.
That's weird. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Whoa.
All right. Oh my gosh.
All right. Oh my goodness.
And now for backwards. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh wow!
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Something. Okay. Oh goodness. Ay.
That was amazing. How did you like your ride, Philip?
Delightful.
Absolutely
I
wonderful.
enjoyed it
There
thoroughly.
you have it. Come check it out this season, opening up Saturday.